Fairbanks, and today we're going to go check out the Great Alaskan Bowl Company. Okay, here we are. Oh, different sizes. 35, 59, and 139, depending on the size of the bowl. And then some that have the knots in them are a little bit discounted. Who doesn't need a good bowl? Gift baskets. What are these? Oh, it's a vase. It's a birch vase. Interesting. Okay, it's waterproof.
That's the one with the engraved?
Well, I was thinking of having it engraved at this.
Okay. Does that fit here?
Well, no, we need a bigger one. That's for a 7-inch. Now, what is this? This is a 9-inch. So no, this is.
These are even bigger. Prices are bigger as well. It's super cool. Oh, cutting boards. They do have some books. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really cool. That's $300. This one. Looks like it's $225. Oh, that's one of those turnstiles. Oh, yeah, that's a turnstile one. That's cool too. Covered a flask. They do everything on site. Oh, look, there's a big one back there right now. A big log on a tree that fell. And then they're cutting into chunks. They do sell like packages of wood for firewood, which is really common in Alaska. That's cool. This is one of those butter things. Oh, it's a maple biscuit cutter. Okay. Mama makes the dough. Funny. Oh, spoons. Oh, yep. That's an ulu. This is the bowl that this company decided to make to go along with the ulu. Not very common though. That's way more touristy.
So can we engrave? Or instead of, or just not engraving? Okay. And then, all right, I'll be fine. I assume it'll still like this on one side and then say.
$28. Jar salmon. Lots of different things here for sure. Those bowls. Super cute. So this store has woodworking on site, and they have a lot of different things besides just the woodworking. They've got teas and honeys. They've got popcorn available. They've got some jewelry, some soaps, some lip balms. They've got books and bags and all kinds of things. And it smells great. It smells definitely like a wood shop for sure. Definitely. Oh, I didn't even notice the bird feeder. Yeah, it's definitely worth the stop. If you've got time to chill and just take in the moments while you're in Fairbanks, this is the place for you for sure. Oh yeah, gift baskets as well. So pretty cool. Nice little stop. Mr. Moosey. Okay, off to the next adventure.